Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome to Redneck Quadcopter Repair. Alright, so one of these quadcopters has 2 rolls of highly packed caps in it. So hopefully we get an explosion. We're working on that. But for those of you who don't know and those who do, these are the 9 Eagles Galaxy Visitor 2 quads. I had bought one from Banggood. Originally, it was defective, wouldn't fly right, camera didn't work right. So they sent me a completely new replacement quad, complete new kit and all, you know, trying to eliminate every possibility. New quad, flies beautiful, however, camera sucked, so they sent me a new camera, that one sucked. So then they sent me a completely new PCB board and yet another new camera. So I installed that in, and it had problems, the board, with my motors. So, of course, since then I've put the original stuff back in, and yep, now it sucks. So, the board did something, I don't know. But I even tried the camera on to the quad, and yeah, no go. And now I don't even get button response now. So I went through the troubleshooting thing on the internet for resetting up your buttons if they malfunction, which they shouldn't have. I've got the original board back in. But anyway, so none of that crap works anymore. So I thought, well, you know what? It's a lot of money I've put out. You know, I mean, they paid the cost of all the other stuff, but still, it's 140 bucks originally out of my pocket for something that ain't working out. And so we're going to teach these little buggers to, well, not screw up, I guess. So we're going to blow them up instead. I'm running 8.9 grain pellets for anybody who's curious. These are a heavier than normal pellet. And I'm just sick of all this. I mean, Banggood's been great to me. They've done everything possible to try and rectify the situation. And this quad is just a piece of junk. And other people, of course, have been coming up on my videos now saying that they're having problems too. And even the Visitor 3. So, you know what? I'm not buying any more 9 Eagles products. I'm done with 9 Eagles stuff. Don't worry, we're going to pick up the quad after. And we're going to start over. This would have been nicer with a 22 caliber pellet gun, but this is the only one I've got access to. Broke a leg so far. Oh, on each one. I think it's time to get up close and personal. 177 only puts out about, well, with these pellets, about 5 pounds of energy. So, ooh, we got a good hole. Wow, still waiting for that darn explosion to happen. Maybe it won't. But, nonetheless, quadcopter repair. Oh, that's not the one with the caps in it. Ah, you know what? Let's put these on the ground. Let's just give them some point blank shooting. Time to kill the cameras. It's not like they ever worked anyways, right? Ooh, a little bit of a ricochet there. That's a tough one. Wow, too bad the electronics weren't that tough. The plastic's stronger. Oh, that's amazing. They're pellet proof. The hell with that. Oh, just keep beating them up on the tops. Oh, now we're getting some good holes. I don't think the PCB boards are going to survive. I don't think the little birdies want to fly anymore either. Yep, really need a 22 caliber pellet gun for this, but what the hell?
Need a sledge.
Hey, we got a sledge. Don't go away, guys. I'll be right back. Well guys, my sledgehammer seems to be missing, but I do have other hammers, so we're going to shut the video off for a second. Don't worry, we're not going to even move these things, and we'll be right back. Alright, I got a hammer, I got a brick, I even brought the radios. Hey, look at that, camera damage. Wow. Oh, he did the splits.
The carnage.
Oh, there's my caps. Awesome. Too bad I couldn't have worked when I hit you, you dumb thing. That's one down. Let's be gentle. Ugh. I think it's broken. Ooh, good enough. You tough thing. Not so tough, haha. Well, I gotta tell you, now that's how you spend 140 bucks. I feel much better now. What, that survived? We can't have that, can we? I don't know. Nope, good. Done. Done too. Now, we all know I did a review on this thing, and I stand by that review. These things are garbage. So where does garbage go? Well, other than a million friggin' pieces, that's what we got a garbage can for. Yeah. Oh, damn, I was hoping those caps would have gone off. Trying to clean up some of my mess at least for now. I do have to park my car in here in the winter. Bye-bye. I don't think auto return's going to work again either. They shall never fly again.
Aww. Rest in pieces.
I think that pretty much gets my point across. Now that's what you call redneck quadcopter repair 101, folks. Thanks for watching and have an awesome, awesome day.